I hear a barking squirrel. Hello. Is it one of you? Two of them up there. One of them right here. There was one that was just over there. Hello. Are you the snatcher squirrel? Yes, you son of a bitch. I hate him so much.
I gotta feed.
Wait, hold on. Okay. Wait, one more. Is it BB?
Oh, I see a mama coming from across the street. She sees me.
Okay.
No. Look at that mama.
Watch out for them peanuts. Don't kick them.
Look at mama.
Yeah. Mm-hmm. She's totally sorry. Oh, here, Stripes is behind you now. Oh, shoot. She's going to the back. She's going to the back. I gotta take some emergency peanuts. Hold on. I got something to show. Something to show. We are gonna teleport. Okay, this is what I gotta show. That was my tomato plant. And my cantaloupe here. The other tomato plants over there. Oh, what? That's not what I'm showing. Look, we got a hut. See? And it's cushy. And there's a heating pad. This is the heating pad in here. And the plug is right here. We've got it plugged into some lights. And I put it on this one, hoping that maybe it'll warm up that one down there a bit too. But yeah, they can use this as like a staircase. Either this or this. It's whichever. But yeah. It's really neat. And the top is kind of hard, so they can lay on it too. It's really cool. But that is our hut. That's the new cat house back here to keep them warm through the winter. Except like if it's really, really cold, chances are we'll probably take them in. Alright, teleporting to the front. Here we go. And here we are. Teleport back to the front door. Hello. I wonder what happened to Tippy. He chased him off. Oh, don't reach for me like that, BB. Come back. He ain't get to get... Oh, you're BB. That's BB. Hold on. Don't run him off. What, you do smell the almond? Okay, take it and go. Whoa. A lot of squirrels. Yeah, I don't know if it's the snatcher. Yeah, that cat hut is pretty cool, huh? I think so. Where's the camera gotta go blurry? The squirrely BB, I get to pet that one from time to time. Oh my gosh, this was full. Hi. You look like the Snatcher. Nope. Get it. Uh-oh. It's okay, I got more. You look like my squirrely BB. Oh my gosh, they just keep on coming. Okay. Why does it keep going blurry? It's driving me nuts. Okay, well, I just wanted to get the hut in a video. Hello? This damn leaf decal. No? Just the almond, huh? Whoa, you hear all those birds? I don't know if the camera could pick up on that or not. Oh, and in case I don't upload the other video and I just upload this one, I got the pink and purple in this braid. And then I redarkened my green over here. I got blue and green over here. Yes. Maybe I could pause. I'm just hang it up. Say subscribe and stay tuned if you want to see more. Because, you know, the saga always continues here at the Peanut Butter House. There was my belly again making noises. Hello. Oh my gosh, really? You want a peanut too? Take it. There you go. Hey, Patches. You got beautiful eyes. Anyone know what that's off of? I'll give you a hint. It was two gorillas arguing with one another. Oh, I'm sorry, my ring hit the my ring hit the molding and scared him. Oh yeah, okay. My belly's making noises. I have to go and feed it. So, as always, subscribe and stay tuned if you want to see more. And we out this piece. Oh. Let me drop my piles, and then we'll go. the sunflower seeds. When I add little almond bits, I like to break them. But the only way to break them is by breaking them up. Well, not the only way. The best way. I do it long way first, and then I take it and I snap it again. So that way I can try and turn one almond into 4 pieces. Oh shoot. I'm going to put a small mini pile up there. Oh, that's a weird squirrely noise. It's really fast. Whoa. A whole lot of barking going on out here. Is that you? He's got a coo in his bark. You're still eating, ain't you? There's a little whale. Come on. You know you want it. Okay. I'm gonna drop my piles anyway. I know as soon as I do, the almond eater won't come get this because there's almonds in my piles. But look at the clock. I mean, it's really getting away from me. I gotta hang it up. Okay. Ow. I hit my elbow on that thing. This. Oh, hello. This is a mini pile. Wait, they're blurry. Here. It's right there. It's right there. Okay. Because you didn't see it. Here. Hello. Okay. Ow! Oh, my clumsiness! It brought me to my knees! Holy shit! It hurts. It burns. Jesus. Let's see if I got a flesh wound. Yeah. It's gonna be a bruise, no doubt. Damn, man. When is this house gonna stop beating me up? Look at this clock. Almond eater. Alright. Whoa, what was that? Alright, we out this piece. It's been real. Stay tuned.